Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make a turtleneck jumper with an African fabric. Join me.
It's VQ.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane.
To get started, you need an Ankara fabric, a ribbed stretchy fabric, and an old shirt. Fold your Ankara fabric into 4 and place your old shirt on top of it. Unfold.
I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish.
Trace and cut the neckline and the armhole, just like I'm showing you.
Then I look her in the eyes.
Take into consideration some allowances because your fabric may not be stretchy.
Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
This part is optional, but I wanted mine to have a curved edge. To cut the sleeves, measure your arm from the shoulder to the wrist. So this is how I usually cut out my sleeves to make it simpler and easy for me. I fold my fabric into 4 and then I apply all the measurements I had taken before of my arm and apply them on the fabric itself, and after that I cut. By doing this, at the end of the whole process, I will have 2 sleeves instead of 1.
People them applause, singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
So using my old shirt I used previously as a reference, I used it to create an armhole.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl,
It's
I do it for
VQ.
you. Get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know. Bad man on the instrument, I give it them one time. Body, baby, yeah.
Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
Pin the sleeves to the fabric and sew.
VQs.
It's VQ.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest. then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish.
Now hem the jumper, sew up the sides and the sleeve.
From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body.
So this part is for the turtleneck. Take a measurement of your neck, making sure to make it as snuggle and as comfortable as possible, and then apply the measurement onto your fabric. This is because the fabric is stretchy and you don't want this to be loose around your neck. At the same time, you don't want it to be tight. Cut this out and fold double.
Girl, you want me island team. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool.
Use the same technique to cut out the wrist part of the jumper. As you can see, this is what I'm doing now. I folded the fabric into two and measured out my wrist and put the measurement on the fabric to cut both wrists out.
Vibe, say she wanna roll, moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause, singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane, I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane, I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane. Yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I
It's
do it
fake
for
hills.
you. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know. Liquid bad man on the instrument. I give it them one time. Body, baby. Yeah.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original bad man.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles. Let
It's
go.
fake hills.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things.
To make the turtleneck, I got a stretchy fabric. Just enough to go around my neck. You can measure it if you want to, but I can't remember what my measurement is, but just enough to go around my neck. And I folded it into two and pinned it round the neck of the jumper. And while pinning it, make sure you stretch it and tug it a little bit, not too hard. This is so as to give it some kind of stretch when you're ready to wear it.
Finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
So pin the stretchy fabric round the neck of the shirt and sew with a zigzag stitch. This is because it's a stretchy fabric. Sew the cuffs with a zigzag stitch as well.
Hurricane, yeah, I want you to are me island team. Beauty now your body gets me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body get your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man na me they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me they run town.
So make a top stitch round the neck after attaching the turtleneck. This is to ensure that everything stays on flat and looks natural and lovely. So after this, you're done.
I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet